At Vanderbilt, athletes are scholars, medical students are champions, law students are healers, and leadership are members of our beloved community. This pluralistic approach to our collective work, both here at home in Tennessee and around the world, is mission critical, because the challenges we will face over the next 150 years cannot be met successfully in silos. They will require us to be in healthy competition with ourselves. This means we must have the courage to speak, the courage to listen, the courage to collaborate, and when necessary, the courage to find a peaceful pathway forward away from unhealthy conflict, to use our willingness to grow as a catalyst to transcending divides. As a former student whose life was transformed when I came here from rural America, and as a proud current faculty member, I have seen the unique ways our community members model bridging gaps, solving problems, and collaborating in groundbreaking ways to impact our world for the better. I remain in awe of the breadth and depth of Vanderbilt's growing potential, and I'm so motivated by our team mentality. We truly are one Vanderbilt.